Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I am online. So guys, this is the Realme 2 Pro new phone. It's a blue ocean variant, and it comes with both 4G, both SIMs are in 4G. This is made in India. This is Realme 2 Pro. There's a side branding over here. So guys, let's open the box and let's see what we get inside. Yeah guys, so this over there's the branding of Realme. Yeah, let's keep the phone aside and let's see what we get over here. Yeah, so over here we are getting a case and there's some paperwork. Like, yeah, this is some paperwork. We are getting it and देखते हैं पढ़ते हैं बाद में. And the quick guide of Realme is over here. So this is the quick guide, and yeah, we get a TPU case. It's very good. Like, the quality of the material is really good and we can see that it's made durable. लेकिन थोड़े टाइम में ये येलो हो जाता है थोड़ा टाइम यूज करने के बाद. So okay, let's keep this aside. So guys, here's the phone. Yeah, so guys, this is the blue ocean. Let's keep this and we'll see the inbox contents. Okay, so we get a normal USB cable over here, micro USB cable, normal, and there's this dock which is made by Oppo. There's the Oppo branding over here. Yeah, so the dock is 2 amperes. Let's see the phone. So guys, this is the Realme phone. Let's open this. Wow, this piece is really amazing. Like, it comes with 2 camera. One is 16 megapixel and another one is 2 megapixel camera. It comes with a fingerprint scanner, Realme branding over here. There is the speaker over here, the charging and the jack. There's the power button. It comes with a noise cancellation second. Let's see how many ports we get inside. So it comes with a dual SIM and an SD card. Yeah, the phone already comes with a glass guard punched in. Yeah, you can see the glass guard is already there on the phone. Guys, the phone has been setted up. As you can see, this is the clarity which you get in the screen. Clearly amazing. You get a dewdrop notch over there. Let's check some pictures and in the portrait mode. I have attached some pictures. You can see the portrait mode on the left side and the photo mode on the right side. You can make the difference in both the pictures. The pictures are very clear, it's properly defined, and the camera quality is really good. Let's check out the settings of the phone and let's see what we get in about the phone device. So the model is this, comes with 8.10 version of Android. Color OS version 5.2, RAM is 4 GB. This is the 4 GB variant with 64 GB storage data. 42 GB is available with the phone. The security patch of September 2018, so this is pretty good. I'll make a review of this phone after using for 1 week or more than 1 week. Let's see. The fingerprint scanner is very fast. It's like just tap and open. And let's see the face unlock. The face unlock is also pretty very fast. When we see it's open, this and done, simple, open. So it's pretty decent and pretty fast. You like the phone, the body is made of polycarbonate. The screen is very good. It opens, like, see, when you just click it opens. It is amazing, and one should go for this device. It looks very premium in your hands and gives a very good quality and texture. So guys, I hope you all like this video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a video. This is Varun Lilani signing off.